Here's a retro table fan, modern, retro, chic. I'm not really sure what you call it. It's in the pastel pink. Another Goodwill find. Two speeds. The switch is kind of like what you'd see on one of those little USB fans, like the little 4-inch fans. Seems like all of the cost went into the metal. Obviously, I think these knobs are plastic, but the rest of it's metal, and I think that's where all the cost went into making these. I think I paid like $8 for this. I'm not sure how much they are new, or if they're still available, or where you get them, or what. Dates: January 2018. Electric fan, model FE-20M. Wind Ream Electric Appliance Company. That's all the information they give you. This one, I don't know. I guess it runs okay. It moves a pretty decent amount of air for what it is. I guess it moves more air than I kind of expected it to. Still not a lot, but somehow more than I thought it would. Tilts somewhat. I probably got to loosen the other side. I just don't really care to do so. Here, let's see. Okay, so this is going to be the low speed on it. It's not too loud. I mean, it's not silent, obviously, but it's not annoying, I guess I could say. And it moves a pretty decent breeze. It does make a rattle noise every once in a while that kind of comes and goes. I haven't really figured out what that's all about yet, but every once in a while it'll do this little rattling noise. It's only done it a couple of times. Most of the time it runs fine. So here's the high speed now. Starting to do it a little bit. I wonder if that's coming from the guard. That might be like a guard vibration noise or something. It's a little out of balance too. Vibrates a little bit, so. Yeah, that rattle noise is starting to happen. I just can't figure out exactly what it is or where it's coming from. Yeah, that's that. I don't know if I can figure out what that little rattle sound is and get rid of that. This would be pretty decent. I think it's got probably has a really cheap motor in it, as the control or the switch would suggest, but yeah, I mean, it looks nice. It's not terrible. It is what it is. If you're into that sort of thing, I'm not, but I didn't buy it for me either, so yeah, that's what it is. Windream electric fan, retro, modern, chic, pink table fan. Thanks for watching.